Hi, I'm Akansha. In this video, we are talking about the Plum Green Tea Exfoliating Peel. If you are interested, then please stay tuned. Okay, so it's been 3 weeks now that I have been using this product. 3 weeks as in 3 बार मैंने use किया है क्योंकि you need to use this once a week. It has 10% of glycolic acid as the AHA or alpha hydroxy acid. It has 5% of gluconolactone as the PHA, which is polyhydroxy acid, and it has 0.5% of salicylic acid as the BHA or the beta hydroxy acid. So you can pretty much make out that at present in the Indian market, this peel is the one with the lowest concentration of all the acids, which makes it the best beginner friendly peel. Do not expect any drastic change in your skin after using this because it's a very mild peel. It's not gonna do much for your skin, to be honest. अगर आप already ordinary का peel या minimalist का peel use कर रहे हो या फिर Dr. Sheth का peel use कर रहे हो, I think इसको अगर आप अभी use करोगे then आपको कोई भी difference नज़र नहीं आएगी. But I'll tell you about my experience क्योंकि मैंने पहले कभी भी ऐसी वाली concentrated chemical peels नहीं यूज़ की थी. सो आई टेल यू अबाउट माई एक्सपीरियंस. तो मैंने जब इसे यूज़ की ना, उसके बाद आई फेल्ट दैट माई स्किन वॉज सॉफ्टर एंड in this region especially थोड़ी flakiness और dryness थी मुझे. And after using this I really felt that this area had smoothened out a lot, and I also felt that my skin was glowing after 2 days. Instantly आपको results नहीं दिखती है chemical peels के, आपको at least 2 to 3 days देनी पड़ती है इसे to इसकी full potential में काम करने के लिए. However, till now after 3 uses I have not seen any sort of reduction in the pigmentation which I have here. I'm not sure अगर आपको अभी दिख रही है कि नहीं कैमरे पे, बट इधर दोनों साइड पे ही ना when I was very little तभी से पता नहीं कैसे इधर पिगमेंटेशन हो गया है मुझे. So that's that. And talking about irritation or burning using this, no, there is none. This is not that sort of a concentrated peel जो कि आपके स्किन को बर्न कर देगी. Now burning स्पेशली हो जाती है BHA से, ठीक है, क्योंकि BHAs go deep inside your skin, deep into the layers of your skin, which is present in just 0.5% in this peel. Hence ये बिल्कुल ही mild है and आपकी skin बिल्कुल burn नहीं होगी. On the other hand, AHA is something which works superficially on the topmost layers of your skin, helps you with the blackheads or the dead skin cells जो आपके skin के topmost layer में accumulate हो जाती हैं, उन्हें remove करने में AHA helps, and BHA helps you to get rid of blackheads जो deep rooted acne वगैरह होती है. So when I was using this for the very first time, during application मुझे बिल्कुल भी tingling sensation या burning sensation नहीं हो रही थी. And after I washed the product off, that was when my skin started giving me this burning and irritated sensation. I felt that कुछ तो जलन सी हो रही है स्किन में, और थोड़ी रेड भी हो गई थी मेरी स्किन इस चीक एरिया में, स्पेशली फोरहेड, चिन, नोज़, ये सब में नहीं, बस इधर थोड़ी ऐसी रेडनेस हो गई थी और इरिटेशन भी हो रही थी. बट दैट सबसाइडेड आफ्टर लाइक 10 to 20 minutes. तो ये कोई प्रोलॉन्ग्ड साइड इफेक्ट नहीं है. सो दैट्स नॉट समथिंग टू बी कंसर्न ऑफ. एंड subsequent uses में those things also did not happen. I think my skin got accustomed to it very quickly because it's a very gentle peel. And being a beginner with chemical peels myself, I feel that it's a very good one. And अगर आपने भी कभी use नहीं किया है chemical peels, I think you should definitely give this one a try because at present at least this is the one which has the mildest and the lowest percentage of the acids. Now let me tell you a couple of other good ingredients that are present in this peel along with the acids. Now इसमें ना natural acids भी मौजूद है, which is this has lemon extracts, sugarcane extracts, then it has orange extracts as well. So all these citrusy fruits के extracts भी use किए गए हैं. We all know that citric acid is helpful in lightening your scars, pigmentation, or exfoliating your skin to lighten your skin. So that's why I think they have used these natural acids as well. It has aloe vera and rose water as well to soothe and calm your skin. फिर इसमें niacinamide और licorice भी है. These two ingredients help to get rid of any pigmentation or dark spots and blemishes blemishes. उसके बाद इसमें hydrating ingredients भी है like sodium hyaluronate, उसके बाद glycerin and panthenol propanediol. It also has witch hazel which helps to shrink your pores. If you're someone who has never used chemical peels on your skin, you should definitely start off with this one. And आप इसकी एक bottle ख़त्म कर लो, उसके बाद you can jump on to a more concentrated peel like the Minimalist or Ordinary or Dr. Shed or Dot and Key. ठीक है? So that's my recommendation, but of course you do you. My mom is also using this and off lately now she was complaining a lot that उनकी neck में बहुत ज़्यादा tanning हो गई है, and I let her use this as well on her face and neck both. And after first time use itself, she was telling me that she feels that her neck has become lighter, like tanning थोड़ी चली गई है. So I was like, good. I mean it's a really good thing अगर first time use से ही मम्मी को difference दिख रही है अपने skin में, so that's really nice I feel. So that was all about the review, but now listen to me carefully. I want you guys to know a couple of important things about using a chemical peel. So firstly, always use this रात को, okay? You need to apply this nicely on your face, and then after 10 minutes do not exceed the time because it's acid. You do not want to risk your face. So बस 10 मिनट के लिए रखो अपने स्किन पे, उसके बाद अच्छे से थरली वॉश कर लो विद जस्ट प्लेन वाटर. ठीक है? वार्म वाटर, कोल्ड वाटर कुछ नहीं, बस नॉर्मल टैप वाटर से धो लो अच्छी तरह से. उसके बाद आपको एक ऐसी सूथिंग मॉइस्चराइजर लगानी है. ठीक है? कोई भी सीरम या कोई भी एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट मत यूज़ करो, सच एज रेटिनॉल, विटामिन सी, नाइसिनामाइड, अल्फा, कुछ भी यूज़ मत करो. जस्ट यूज़ अ गुड सूथिंग कामिंग मॉइस्चराइजर. I too use this Cosrx nail mucin. This helps me a lot. This soothes the skin like magic. So this is what I have been using after the peel. I do not use any moisturizer or serum that day. Even the next day I do not use any actives. I resume my regular skincare routine after 48 hours, that is 2 days. So I think that's all about this video. I hope you guys found it helpful and informative. अगर आपको कोई भी query है regarding this or chemical peel or any other thing, do let me know in the comments below. I will be definitely helping you out, and I'll see you with another video. Until then, it's me Akanksha signing off. Bye.